Hello friends, today's subject is analog and digital circuit. Okay. The first lecture on introduction to op amp. First of all, we have to see objectives that we learn in this topic. First of all, to know the basic of amplifier, to know the op amp pin configuration, to know the application of operational amplifier, to know the elements of block diagram of operational amplifier. Okay. First of all, contents. What is amplifier? What is operational amplifier? Block diagram of operational amplifier. Application of op amp. Okay, that are contents. First of all, what is amplifier? An amplifier is an electronic device that increases the voltage, current, or power of a signal. This is a sound amplifier device. This is an electronic device. By using this electronic device, we can increase the sound efficiency. Okay. आपको जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कंपोनेंट दिख रहा है ये साउंड एम्पलीफायर है. बाय यूजिंग दिस साउंड एम्पलीफायर अपन क्या कर सकते हैं कि इसको अपन लाउड स्पीकर को आउटपुट कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं और इनपुट क्या कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं अपना माइक कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. बाय यूजिंग दिस एम्पलीफायर वी कैन एम्पलीफाई द साउंड. ओके, अपन इनपुट साउंड क्या देंगे, माइक का इनपुट साउंड देंगे. वो साउंड कैसा रहेगा, वो साउंड लो रहेगा. ओके, और आउटपुट में क्या रहेगा, अपने आउटपुट में लाउड स्पीकर कनेक्ट रहेगा, वेरियस स्पीकर्स कनेक्ट रहेंगे और बाय यूजिंग दिस स्पीकर आपको साउंड क्वालिटी कैसी मिलेगी, ज़्यादा मिलेगी. ओके, then next figure 2 shows that the graphical representation of amplifier. Okay, in this graphical representation we see that in y-axis there is a voltage and in x-axis there is a time t. In this diagram we will see how the amplification process is done. Okay, there are two graphs in this diagram. Okay, first is vi is the input signal. Okay, then next vo is output signal. Okay, in this diagram we will conclude that the input signal is small and output signal is large. Okay, this graph shows that vi blue graph is small and red graph is large. By using this we can conclude that the amplification process is nothing but the input sound is converted to output sound. Okay, it means large output sound. Okay, then in this topic amplifier, the question may ask what is meant by amplifier. Tell me what is meant by amplifier. Okay, right. Amplifier is nothing but the electronic device that increases the voltage, current or power of a signal. Okay, then next. Op amp. Op amp is basically a multi-stage amplifier which uses a number of amplifier stages interconnected to each other in a complicated manner. By using op amp, we can perform number of operations like that integration, multiplication, differentiation, inversion proportion. Okay, in this operation we can perform by using operational amplifier. Operational amplifier is nothing but the one amplifier. Okay, in this operational amplifier we perform only some operation on input. Okay, जो भी अपन input अप्लाई करते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस को, वो इनपुट पे क्या करना है, आपको एम्प्लीफिकेशन प्रोसेस करनी है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट एम्प्लीफिकेशन प्रोसेस जो भी आउटपुट आपको मिलेगा वो आउटपुट कैसा होगा, एम्प्लीफाइड आउटपुट होगा. ओके, इन दिस टॉपिक वी मे आस्क वन क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज मीन बाय op amp. ओके, टेल मी व्हाट इज मीन बाय op amp. Okay, right. Op amp is a basically multi-stage amplifier which uses a number of amplifier stages interconnected to each other in a complicated manner. Okay, right. Then next is op amp pin configuration. Okay, in this diagram we will see how the op amp pin configuration is carried out. Okay, there are total 8 pins in op amp IC 741. Okay, first pin is offset null pin, second pin is inverting input terminal, third pin is non-inverting input terminal, fourth pin is power supply pin, fifth pin is offset null pin, sixth pin is output voltage, seventh pin is VCC positive supply, 8th number pin is no connection. In this diagram we can say that there are total 8 pins. Okay, then in exam question may ask how many pins in op amp IC 741. Tell me how many input pins or which are input pins. Okay, right. Okay, there are two input pins, which are pin number 2 inverting pin and pin number 3 non-inverting pin. Okay, then what is pin number of output pin? Okay, right, pin number 6 is output pin. Okay, then how many power supply pins? Okay, right, there are two output pins. There are two power supply pins. First one is power supply 7 number pin and power supply 4 number pin. Okay, right, this is the structure of op-amp pin configuration. Okay, next, op-amp terminals. This figure shows that the op-amp terminals. Okay, there are two input pins, V plus and V minus. These are two input pins. Okay, and one output pin. Output pin is V out, and two power supply pin, Vs plus and Vs minus. Okay. V plus is non-inverting input, V minus is inverting input, V out is output pin, Vs plus is positive power supply, Vs minus is negative power supply. Okay. Then question may ask, what are input pins? Right, there are two input pins, non-inverting input pin and inverting pin. Okay, right, we have one video on op-amp. Let's see.
Started.
In operational amplifier is uses as a several number of fields, such that communication field, medical electronics field, and instrumentation and control field. Okay, in operational amplifier we use operational amplifier IC 741. Okay, in this IC there are total 8 pins. Okay, 2 input pins and 1 output pin. Okay, in the operational amplifier IC 7141 having 2 input terminals, which are non-inverting and inverting, and 1 output. Okay, this is the op-amp IC 7141 having 20 transistor, 11 resistors and 1 capacitor. In the operational amplifier IC having two differential inputs, one is positive and one is negative. These two are differential inputs which are connected to amplifier and goes to the and give to the one desired output signal. Okay, this is the short video on operational amplifier. Okay, let's then the next is block diagram of operational amplifier. In this block diagram there are 4 stages. First stage is input stage, second stage is intermediate stage, third stage is level shifter stage, fourth one is output stage. Okay, let's one by one. First stage is input stage. In the input stage there are two inputs are connected. Okay, first one is non-inverting input and second one is inverting input. By using these two inputs we can apply the input signal to the desired amplifier. Okay, then next is intermediate stage. Intermediate stage is nothing but the dual amplifier. By using this intermediate stage we can intermediate the input signal and the output signal. Okay, then next is level shifter stage. Due to the direct coupling of first two stages, means input stage and intermediate stage, is direct coupling between the two first stages. The level shifter stage amplified signal with the DC level. Okay, DC level. The level shifter stage is used to this DC levels. This DC level goes to the 0 volt by using the ground supply. Okay, then next stage is output stage. In the output stage the desired voltage and desired current is maximized by using the output stage. In the output stage amplification process is done. Okay, if we connect input as a mic, then mic signal is low. Okay, in the output stage the amplified signal is maximum. That means by using loudspeaker we can get the large output signal. Okay, in this way there are 4 stages. Okay, the question may ask, tell me the tell me the working of the input stage, tell me the working of intermediate stage, tell me the working of level shifter stage, and tell me the output stage. Okay, right. There are four. There are total 4 stages: input stage, intermediate stage, and level shifter stage, and output stage. Okay. Then next, op-amp pin configuration. There are two op-amp pin configuration in the operational amplifier. First one is open loop configuration. Second one is closed loop configuration. First is open loop configuration. In this diagram, we see the open loop. Okay? Open loop having two inputs, non-inverting input and inverting input, and one single output. Okay. In this diagram, we will see how the non-inverting input and inverting input is connected to the amplifier. In non-inverting input having source V1 and inverting input having source V2. Okay. What is meant by open loop? Okay. Open loop operation is that there is absolutely no feedback present from the output. That means no part of the outputs gets connected to the input. Okay. Tell me what is open loop? Okay, right. Okay. In the output signal, there is no interconnection between the input signal. Okay. What is meant by open loop? Open loop operation is that there is absolutely no feedback present between the आउटपुट एंड इनपुट. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है क्या आउटपुट और इनपुट में कोई इंटरकनेक्शन, कोई फीडबैक सिग्नल नहीं ना. ओके, इसके लिए इसे क्या कहते हैं? ओपन लूप. ओपन लूप में क्या रहता है? फीडबैक सिग्नल नहीं रहता है इन बिटवीन द आउटपुट एंड इनपुट. ओके, सिंपली VO is not interconnected between the V1 and V2. Okay, then next, closed loop. In closed loop, some kind of feedback is introduced in circuit. What type of feedback? There are two types of feedback present in the closed loop. First one is a positive feedback, another one is negative feedback. Okay. Then tell me the what type of feedback present in the closed loop. Okay, how many feedback present in the closed loop? Okay, right. How many? Two feedback present. First one is positive feedback, second one is negative feedback. Okay, in the positive feedback and negative feedback we will see in next lecture. Okay, then application of operational amplifier. Operational amplifier are used in number of fields, such that operational amplifier used as a amplifier, used as a active filters, used as a arithmetic circuits, in voltage and comparators, waveform generators, precision rectifiers. Okay. Then next, summary. After learning this topic, we will able to understand the basic concept of amplifier, operational pin configuration of amplifier, the application of operational amplifier, the elements block diagram of operational amplifier. By using this first lecture, we will cover all these points. We cover all these points. Then question bank. What type of question may ask in exams? First question is, what is amplifier? Of Bloom, understand labeling. What is operational amplifier? Explain the working of op-amp with block diagram. What are the applications of op-amp? State the pin configuration of op-amp. These all are questions are important. Okay, these all questions are important. This question may ask in your class test or main paper. Thank you.